I hate to say this. I was right. Yes, I was right. You know, my analysis most at times are accurate. Not all the time. Most at times are accurate. I mean, more than 80% of the time is accurate. And if you follow my analysis, my channel, every now and then, trust me, my friend, you are going to see result in your investment or trading journey. I talk about the possibilities of Bitcoin going to about 70K and Bitcoin going to about 58K or 59K. I look at previous price action, look at support and resistance where there was high liquidity in the market. I even look at the liquidation heat map to show you guys that this is something which is possible, and in the end price went there. I haven't refreshed this page, but I did this video when price was around this zone, let me see if say I refresh this. Let's see what price is gonna give us. I think this is gonna change because since I made my last video, I haven't come here again to show you guys what price I've done. Okay, you can see, wow, you see price has came right down to $58,000. But we were here, we were here not long ago, and now I'm telling you that for the next 3 days we can see Bitcoin go to about $64,000. This is it. This is what I'm seeing, right? This yellowish zone. We can see Bitcoin go to that area, to that zone. So what are we all about today? Today we are all about looking at Bitcoin price action, looking at some top meme coins out there, top altcoins that we can accumulate and put in our bags, and most that we are looking at different zones we can take out profit. It's always good to make good decisions or better decisions when you invest in this brutal crypto industry. And I want to urge each and every one of you to always pay attention to my content. I might not have like the hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers, but I go detailedly with the ones I have, so that I want them to understand that I'm not all about the crowd, the millions, 100,000. I'm all about those who can actually take action. If my content can help 2 or 3 people make money every day, every month, I'm good to go. I'm happy, because I'm, impacting someone's life, and I know these guys are going to impact some other people's life as well. Now, if say you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, if you're new here, then make sure you go right now and hit that subscribe button. It's going to help a lot. Reach out to more people. If say you haven't liked as well, do like this content today. I'm going to be, direct in my content or in what I'm gonna share with you guys today. You see, I'm still in Maryland, in the United States of America. I'm gonna be here for some time. I'm gonna bring you guys the best content ever. I feel as if my lips is dry. Let me see if I can. Okay, it's just menteranto. It's put it dry lips. Okay, guys. Good day. It's been long. I've not seen you, so blast. Good day. Hopefully you are doing so well. You are good. You are my guy. You know why I've not seen you. I want to believe you are doing so well. All right. Let's dive into today's analysis. As usual, we're gonna begin with the liquidation heat map. This yellowish area you're seeing like that is around $64,000. You might not see my entire chart, but that's what it is. Let me try to see if I can bring it to you guys so you can see properly. You cannot see it. But that's the this zone here is the yellowish zone is the let me see if I can take off this. So can I take off this zone? Yeah. Okay. Can I zoom this a little bit as well? No, I cannot do all of that. Yeah, I think I can. Yeah, I think it's been much better now. Yeah, you can see now. Okay, I think you guys can see now properly. So it's the liquidation area, this zone here, the yellowish zone. So that's the area I'm looking for the price of Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin might get to that price point. But let's just get into crypto bubbles first before we can dive into today's analysis. So what are the bubbles saying to us? This is from the weekly time frame. Popcat is doing so well, but let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on there on the daily time frame. Popcat is up today 14% from the top 100 coin. That's against BTC. Dox is up plus 29%. Clay is up 6%. Floki is up 6%. These other altcoins that are in green, they are also up. And it means that this green, the ones in green are outperforming Bitcoin, while the one in red, Bitcoin is outperforming them. So if you want to look for a breakout, like just look at the ones that are like Phantom is down already 5% against Bitcoin, so Phantom might do well. Audi is down against Bitcoin 2%, so you can be looking at these other coins that are not doing so well, or you can just follow the trend with the coins that are doing well now. Okay, let's dive into Bitcoin analysis. Let's look at where price is where price is at this point in time for Bitcoin. Let's look at this on the higher time frame first, the 4 hours time frame. Okay, I mean the 5 hours time frame, so the 1 day time frame. Okay guys, you can see Bitcoin has been moving in this range. We saw how price came right down to $48,000, and yeah, $48,000, $49,000, and we saw this huge pump to the upside. Now I drew these different zones, and how I got it, I mentioned to you guys how I got it. I pulled in the Fibonacci adjustment tool from the bottom here to the top here, this zone, and this was my first area. You can see it, this zone here is an area where I think if say Bitcoin is to go down like from this movement, then it's going to be around this $54,000. We're going to go to the liquidation heat map to confirm this. Also, I pulled the Fibonacci adjustment tool from the top here, from this zone here to this zone down there, to give me where price might reject. I got this one. The price came right down to the line, the 65,000 price point. I mentioned that we might see reversal of price around that zone, and also I was looking at this vector here that they might come to recover this vector. We still have another vector here that we haven't recovered. That's going to be at $68,000. But as price stands, we are at a critical support zone here, and price have tested this zone multiple times. If I zoom out, you're going to see that price has been in this zone before. This is it here, and this zone, it dates right down to this area, like this area here. So if I draw something like this, you're going to see that price have done something similar like that. So price is still in range. This pullback, it was inevitable. Price had to do that, do like this, come hold this area, now pump, and price has to hold, because each time price make higher highs, price has to come back and retest. So in my previous videos I mentioned that price shouldn't break below here. I can even bring the chart, but that's going to be waste of time. Yeah, so Bitcoin, my Bitcoin analysis stance, I'm not going to go more to talk about Bitcoin blah blah blah, because I've already talk more about it already. I've already giving you guys the bigger picture, what might happen long term, short term. I've already given you guys that data. I'm not going to do that again. So let me dive into something else, which is Ethereum. I think we have to look at Ethereum, guys, because let me see if I have to look at the Bitcoin, the BTC. Let's see the BTC pairs. Let's see Bitcoin Ethereum, because I think there's something here with Bitcoin Ethereum on the daily time frame. Let me refresh this properly so we can see. Okay, so I think that Ethereum is gonna be doing well than Bitcoin, after this jump, so you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, this is Ethereum against Bitcoin, by the way. If you don't know, this is Ethereum against Bitcoin. So let's do the same analysis here. I bought the Fibonacci retracement tool. So we are looking at Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why, or not like I'm already explaining to you guys why this is like this. Price has been moving downward from here. Let me just put it this way, from here. After this huge pump, this is the area that price has been moving. So this is the area where I think we might see Bitcoin Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. So let me see how many percent that's gonna be from where price is right now. The first movement is gonna be 9%. Let's see, about 18%. So Ethereum is gonna do well and outperform Bitcoin like for about 20%. Yeah. So guys, be ready to switch and be mostly in Ethereum. And you can see also the Trendillo is showing us that yeah, we are at the bought area and we might be going towards the oversold area. Yeah, towards the overbought area. We're at the oversold area. We are making our way towards the overbought area, and the line in the middle is the line that if say price crosses that line in the middle, then that's when we are looking for buy opportunity, particularly in higher time frames. Like let's see, let me show you the line. This is the line here, the line in the middle, this one here. If say price goes up and stay above it, move like what we saw what happened here. Price didn't really do, price went back down, but in a case like this, you can see when price is above it, price just skyrocket to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. But for now, it's just to accumulate, because when I start seeing price going up there, I'm taking out profit. I'm cashing out profit. Now it's just to accumulate, keep accumulating, and when it crosses and start printing the overbought area, these zones here, that's when you start up, taking off your Ethereum and cashing into Bitcoin. So I want you guys to see this chart. It's a very important chart. Let's see another thing here that I want us to look at. I want us to look at USDT dominance, right? Because USDT plays a huge role in the market, and when investors are offloading their USDT, it means they are getting into Bitcoin, and when they are selling their Bitcoin, it means they are getting into USDT. Yeah. And I'll have this trend line here. You can see this trend line has been respected multiple times, you see. So I'm expecting price to come right down. So short term, we're gonna see Bitcoin do so well, but I'm not actually sure if say this is gonna be the case. But I can really say that if I because I'm seeing this, like you see price action back then, price rejected this zone, you can see, and now price is doing the same thing, you see. Yeah. So it tells me that if price is not able to break this for USDT, then Bitcoin is gonna do so well, because it means investors are gonna offload their USDT to buy Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin is doing well, we know that other altcoins are gonna do well. Now another thing I want us to look at is the total two. Nothing has really changed from here. For my previous analysis, price is still in this range, which is normal, because we saw this movement to the upside, and price should hold this zone here. This is the zone that price should hold for total. So this is all currency excluding Bitcoin. That means the altcoin market excluding Bitcoin, and this is what we should be looking at. Price should stay in this range. Yeah. If price is staying in that range, then we should expect a bounce to the upside, right? And I can as well draw a trend line here, but I usually am not that vested with trend lines, but at times I just love to draw it to give me a perspective of what price might do if price break the trend line. So yeah, we can see price go to this trend line, pump, then come back again, make move sideways and go up again. But what I'm looking at most of the time is break of structure. If I'm not able to see market break, structure break, then I won't be able to get what I want. So now I'm gonna bring Lore here. I have Lore. Lore is gonna give us her perspective of the market, what is going on. So I'm gonna add Lore's camera to the show, so we can have her here. I'm gonna try to bring Lore here. Let me see. You can bring Lore to the show. We're just gonna
Hello.
ask Lore to unmute. I think she's gonna join us soon. Lore is vested in the space. She has a lot of knowledge in the NFT, Web3, fundamental knowledge of crypto. So we're gonna see if say she's gonna come. I think I'm gonna check my if she let me see quickly, but she should be able to join us soon. I think so. Let's request Laura to join us quickly. Hello.
Hello. Hello. I'm streaming from my car today. I don't know if you
I'm
can
gonna
see me.
put my mic on so I can get you properly. Okay,
Okay, no problem.
guys. Sorry. This is hello.
Hi, can you see me? Can you hear me?
Can you get me?
Yes, I can hear you. How you doing, Betong? Hello. I don't know if you can hear me.
I cannot hear you, Laura. Oh,
Hello.
I wanted to have her today.
No.
Actually.
Okay.
Let's
Oh
see.
dear.
Oh, guys, I just missed Laura. So, shut down, Siri. Shut down. Siri, shut down. Sorry, guys. Siri is.
Hello.
Okay, I have
Am I
Laura
getting?
now. You're
Oh,
welcome,
great.
Laura.
Okay, good. Okay, I don't know, but I think it looks like I'm coming in a bit delayed, but I'm here with you. Hello.
Actually, I'm not able to get you right now. I don't know if the
Oh,
viewers can get you. Um, I'm not able to get
oh no.
you're muted. So okay, now you can speak. I think now it's okay now.
Yeah, you can hear me now? Can
Oh,
you hear
this is
me?
my first time to do
No?
this. I'm not able to
Oh
get this.
no, it's not working.
Let me see.
Oh.
Um,
Hello?
I think we are able to hear you, but I the viewers can hear, but I cannot hear you from this end. But I think viewers can hear you very well.
Yeah,
So
okay.
I'm gonna just try to see if I can connect directly um to
Okay.
to the live stream, so I can get you directly from the live stream. But from my part here, I cannot really get you, Laura. So let me just try to see if I can connect to the live stream from my phone. Then from there, I can get you. But basically, I just want you to maybe share with us your thought of the market. You know,
Yeah,
so just give your thought, your like what you think is going on right now with Bitcoin, crypto, everything. I know you're busy. We have
yeah.
a few time to give us today, so just share with us. I'm listening to you. Yeah.
Yeah, just wanted to come in quickly, to support the channel and give some insights into the market. So, we have had some ups and downs, especially with Bitcoin over the last few weeks. There was a huge buy-in opportunity at just less than 50k. I think it went nicely to a price of 50k. I'm getting a lot of feedback, but so that was a nice buying opportunity. And yeah, we did have the predictions that Bitcoin would fall to around 50k, around 16% lower than the time of the halving. So it did manage to hit those rates, and now we're kind of seeing Bitcoin doing what I think is actually quite typical during a bull market, which is you're seeing quite big dips and then coming back up again and big dips. We are seeing it hovering around like 68k. It's hovering around this price, but people would probably say that we're not quite in a bull market, but from what I can see in terms of the trend, like there's big dips down and then moving up, I would say that we're definitely on the verge of.
Think we are still in the nothing actually is going on, especially like most of the times the newbies might think that okay, we might not actually be in a bull market, maybe we are back in a bear market, but from your perspective we are still in the bull market. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, essentially, I think we're seeing just the very early days of the start of a bull market. I don't think we're going to see Bitcoin dip lower than 50k that we saw it at a few weeks ago. I think that is the lowest price that we're going to see it at. It is kind of like stagnant at the moment, sitting around like 68k, and I know a lot of people want to see it get to that, 100k, 150k, 200k mark, and then obviously that will be a huge indicator that we are in a bull market. I actually think those kind of prices will be at the top of the market. I do know 100k seems to be the kind of price, right, that everyone is trying to aim for, thinking, okay, once we get to the 100k, we'll be well on our way or very much into a bull market. But yeah, I think it's good energy around Bitcoin. I think that we're seeing typical of what we should be seeing at this moment. And yeah, I am excited to see what October is going to bring during altcoin season.
Okay. So, what do you think about the altcoin market? You think we're gonna have the altcoin market, or like the altcoin boom, or maybe Bitcoin is gonna swallow everything this bull run? What do you think about the altcoin market or the altcoin season? Is gonna be soon, or we might not see that at all?
I think we will definitely see an altcoin season. I think during October is the typical altcoin season. So I think, yes, we shall see some nice trends from a few coins. I've still got my eyes on Audi. Yesterday, Solana was down quite a bit, but still quite a popular chain, especially as it comes in with, meme coins, and new NFTs as such. We're still seeing ordinals. The ordinal market in the NFTs, space, inscription space has slowed down a lot. So there are some really nice projects on sale at the moment. So if you do have any spare Bitcoin, there are some nice inscription Bitcoin NFTs up for sale. But yeah, I think during October, during January, we will get to see significant price actions from these, from the altcoins and from the inscription and NFT market.
Okay, Laura, thank you so much for joining right away from the UK. I'm happy to always have you on the show to share your insight. Hopefully, we're gonna have you more often in subsequent live shows. So, thanks so much for joining so quickly. It was abrupt.
Thank you. Thank you for the impromptu invite, and I'm glad to be on the show today. Thank you, everybody. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure
Yeah,
you follow.
yeah. All right, guys, let's get back
Take care.
to this. Let's get back to the market, like price action. What we have been talking about. Laura gave us awesome like overview of what is going on in the market, what we might expect to happen with Bitcoin or altcoin season. Guys, we're still gonna have a lot of good stuff, in the market soon. By October, she mentioned the altcoin season. Usually, if we look at history, October is a very good month for altcoins. So I think that if we look at this liquidation heat map, not the liquidation heat map. What am I even talking about? We look at this total, two and total three, then we can rightly say that we are on track, or we are gonna be seeing the altcoin season anytime soon, because I think this is what might happen. This is total two. That's all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin. I'm gonna go to all crypto excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, but this one is excluding Bitcoin, and you can see. I think price is gonna do something like like this. It's not move like this, move in this range. Move, then pump to the upside, come back, retest, pump that again. So I think there's so much we're gonna see here. Like couple of weeks, couple of months. I think we have just about 2 months to October, or 1 month to October. So I think within that period, we might see a huge spike with the altcoin. You can see it has already made an attempt. The first pump to the upside has been done. We saw this retracement back towards this zone, and now price has been holding this zone. We saw this huge pump, and now we are looking at price holding this zone here. So no matter what price do, or want to see this zone, let's go to the weekly self to see. Yeah, okay, you see, this looks even more juicy on the weekly time frame, because I'll be able to bring in the trend line here, draw the trend, something like this, and if I draw something like this, then it's gonna match with what I'm having here. So we can see price do something like that, move in this range up, then we're gonna see a huge spike to the upside for altcoin. And if we are looking at the total trade, which is all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see that is almost similar. This huge pump to the upside, retracement back to where this the golden pocket was, or yeah, the golden pocket, or the but how do they call it? Just forgot the name right now. Point of control also, yeah, golden pocket or point of control. If I'm looking at the volume profile, I can still bring in the volume profile here. I'm gonna see exactly what I'm trying to convey here. Let me bring it here, from here to where price is right now. So we'll see. Okay, the golden pocket is here, but you can see also that um this zone here, that the vector candle started was like started printing, is a zone where the value area low is. So guys, there's so much that we gonna see here. You can see this zone also. This is where the golden pocket is. If I take price from here, you're gonna form the golden pocket here. So again, there's so much we can do. We can apply different strategy, different indicator, and it's gonna lead us towards the same point, the same zone. And my goal here is to help you guys understand what might happen in the future, so that you prepare yourself. Like what I mentioned earlier, if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, you're gonna see that I talked about this long time ago, that Bitcoin is gonna do what Bitcoin did. But for some reasons, I think most of you think that maybe I come here just to joke with you or to play with you. You should take my stuff seriously, because I put a lot of time here, a lot of research, a lot of analysis, different look at different zones, different price actions, because I want you guys to have the best, guys. You look at this chart here. I already drew something like this. Let's go to the higher time frame so we can see what I drew. I drew something like this. I mentioned that if price is not able to break this zone, then price is gonna come back around this zone here, and price should hold this zone, this one here. It should hold, And if price is not going to hold, price can do this what I did here, do this, then come right down to this, to around 51,000. And if we go now to the liquidation heat map, and we have to look at the next, let's say the next 1 week, what can we find? Let's see. Let's just be curious to see what, because price already gave us an area where price might go. So now we are looking at this zone here at $64,000 and also at around $65,000. So it means that they might recover price back towards this area. And if we look at the monthly chart, let's just look at the monthly chart to see what might happen the next month. So we prepare ourselves as well. Let's see what might happen the next month. So this is the money chart, and from the money chart, it still give us this zone here that we might either go to around this 57,000 dollars, yeah, and also around I'm looking at $57,000 and also around this 66,000 dollars. So these are the areas that I'm looking at for Bitcoin. And let's look at the next 12 hours. Let's see what might happen the next 12 hours. We see more liquidity here around $62,000. So we might see price today recover and go right up to $62,000 for Bitcoin. Tomorrow I'm gonna come here, or the next week. I think, I'm not sure I'm gonna be live tomorrow, but I'm gonna do my best to see if I can. I'm traveling tomorrow to a different state, to around Texas, yeah, or yeah, around Texas. So I might not be live tomorrow, and I'm gonna spend the whole weekend. I'm gonna be back next week. So, but I'm gonna be sharing some short videos with you guys in my group. That's why you wanna be part of my group. Join my group. My link tree is found below this video. And if you wanna trade these coins with me, you wanna trade crypto with me, you can join my trading group. To join my trading group is free. All you need is to register with Bitunix. It's a no KYC derivative exchange, and you're gonna be trading with me, spot and futures. All you need is to deposit at least $100 that you can use to trade with me. It's gonna be your money. Or maybe you don't have time to trade, you are busy. You can join my VIP group to get access to my buy and sell and take profit signals. Whenever I buy, sell, take profit, or stay away from the market, you get that notification. Or if you're somebody who needs portfolio management, you are always losing money, you don't know what to buy at what time, then this link is for you. And if you're an absolute beginner, you wanna like get started from square one, then join the Betong Crypto Education for Beginners. And also you can join my free Telegram group. You can also book a 15-minute free call with me, because maybe like you are thinking, okay, you don't know what to do and you don't know how to go about all this stuff, but you want to talk to me first before you get started. Then book this 50 minutes free call with me, so we can discuss further on how to get started or to work together on the issues you're facing. So I don't know if you guys have any questions, because I think to an extent I have talked about what I wanted to talk about today. You have any question, you have any coin you want me to chat? I can see you, Fidelis. I can see you, Sublas. How is money? Maryland. Maryland is doing so well. I'm enjoying the place. It's a good place. Let's see. Yeah, Odi is making me money. I love that. I love to hear about that. Odi is boss. Now let me just chat with Odi a little bit. I can see you guys are enjoying Odi. Let's just get to Odi and see what we can do there. By the way, if any of you is watching and you want to join me live right now, this is the link to join me live right now. I'm gonna share the link. You wanna join me live right now? You wanna chat with me? Ask me any question? I'll just send the link to join me live at this point in time. Let's discuss. But before I do that. Let me just go right now to OD. Let's see, where is this bad boy? Where is this bad boy? OD. um just see what's going on with the this is a buy. Hey boy, this is a buy. Let me tell you guys something. We are on the 1 day time frame, okay? And Audi was doing this, and now Audi is gonna form what we call like this head and soldier pattern. So this is it. This is the head soldier, and this is the head. Like to an extent, some people are gonna call it W. So Audio might do something like this, or something like that. But I think what is gonna happen here is that price is gonna do something like this. Let me first of all take this off. Price is gonna do something like this. Let me take this off now. So this is what I expect all the price to do. Price is gonna hold the zone where it is, because if we zoom out, you're gonna see that this is the first structure that price break. You know, after this huge downward trend. And but there's a structure here that I want you guys to pay attention to. When you see or they break this structure here, this one, if or they break above this trend line here, I'm gonna draw this right now so you can see. If OD is able to break this trend line, this is gonna be huge for OD. If OD is gonna succeed to break either of this trend line here, this one here, like this, then go for it all in. But if you remember, guys, if you remember when Audi was up here. Those of you who have good memories. If when Audi was up here pumping, I told you guys that we might see Audi go right down to $22. I mentioned this over and over again. I mean, I cannot kill myself. I cannot do more than I can do or more than what I'm doing. I want to keep coming here every day and showing you guys opportunities. But you guys, you rush so much. You want to make quick money. You don't want to be patient. If you would have been patient, you would have waited for Audi, or have a plan to DCA Audi as price drop in these key levels. You buy, you buy, you buy, you buy, you buy. You would have been in profit still now, because you would have been buying. You buy, it pump, you buy, it pump, you buy, it pump, you buy, it pump. So you would have been selling obviously also, because if you follow my channel, you would have been taking out profit anyways, because of how I go about trading or making money in this game. I look at key structures, I look at support and resistance, I look at market structures, and if structure is not broken, I anticipate what price might do. And because of these vectors, yeah, I knew that one day, someday, these guys are gonna push price there, and when they push price there, and price, is gonna attempt to break the first structure. This one is the first structure, yeah, you know, then we are going to consider ourselves bullish. So if you are to buy, go all in, if price break the structure, this is where you are getting in. This is where you get in. You get in around from $34 to around $31. So all is gonna do something like this. Let me just mark this zone. Don't say don't if you believe in OD, then pay attention to this. OD is gonna do something like this, right? Let me mark this zone properly. It's gonna do something like this. From here, go up, pump. Okay, don't chase it. Don't chase that pump. It can go right up to $60. Don't chase it. Wait for it. It's gonna come back here at around $32 or around $34 or $35. So when you start seeing it at $35, 34, you are buying more. You are buying more because it's gonna hold there. That's when you take it now and go with it to about $100 per order. Order can get to $1,000. I'm telling you today. One Audi is gonna go to $1,000. If Bitcoin is gonna go to $100,000, one Audi will go to $1,000. Mark my word today. I'm going to, repeat this when Audi gets to $1,000. Okay, so don't sit there and thinking that, oh, maybe the Betong is doing that. I'm gonna be here every now and then, you know, every now and then for us to discuss, how things are going on. No, so if you guys want to join me, you are watching me, you want to join me, use the link I just sent to you. And if you are watching on X, do like this content, share with your friends, retweet this. Let's go. By the way, those of you who are following me on X, let's go to X so you can see my X handle. Let's see. Where is my X? My not my X is like, where is my X? Oh boy. Oh, look at this. I have now 617 followers on X. This morning it was 620. Let's see if say more have added. I share stuff on X, on Twitter, now known as X.com. Okay, I have 18. So go and follow me on X. And another stuff that I should look at here is Popcat. This meme coin, Popcat is doing so well. But again, the way I trade is very easy. It's not complicated. You know, on a normal circumstances, I won't buy pop card where it is right now. I want to buy pop card when I see it at the golden pocket. That's around 532 million market cap. That's where I want to buy it. Or I can buy it at about 575 million market cap. That's where I want to buy it. But I'm not gonna buy it now because I know I'm gonna get it at a cheaper rate. Even if it pump to the upside, I'm gonna buy it again when I'm confirmed or when I'm certain that go to about 1, 2, 3, or $6 billion market cap. You know, and also this meme coin Rocky is also a nice meme coin that I've been, exploiting around, trying to make some quick profit with it, when Bitcoin is pumping. But look at this daily time frame. It's about to break. It's now 3.2 million market cap. So I think if say it has to go back to 10 million market cap, imagine guys, look at the gain. If this bad boy have to just switch to 10 million market cap, looking at about 2x, just like that. It can just happen like that, 2x, and I think that because price has been moving sideways, you can see sideways ever since. So we might expect a quick move with Rocky. Another coin I want us to look at right now um is this book of memes, that's Boomer. I have someone here. Let me see. I have someone here who wanna join us quickly. Let me quickly add them to the live stream. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add you now. Yeah, Sublas, got you. I got you. Yes, Sublas, you're live. You're live. You're live. You're live. How are you doing?
God.
You're live on the show.
Yes, I'm so happy, sir. I'm so happy to see you again. It's been long. It's been a long time.
So how are you doing?
It's been
How are
a
you
long
doing?
time. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Like seriously, although I'm not being full online because of school activities, and I was actually preparing for an industrial training, so I was kind of busy in school. But definitely, I've been applying strategy. I've been applying the market strategy, especially audio alone, looking at it when it's down, like especially when audio went to $22. I was there, like I have some USDT available. So immediately I saw it at 22. I know you talk about it actually. You talk about audio going to 22. So I reserved some USDT for it. Immediately it gets to 22. I just get like two audio and I
Okay.
ride with it until it gets to 35. So I make some profit from there.
Okay,
It
that's
was really
awesome.
interesting.
That's awesome. I'm glad. I'm happy to hear that you are applying my strategy and you're making money with it. That's what is most important. You might not be active, or be available in the chat, but to know that you have learned something, that you're applying it now is somehow awesome. And I will keep on mentioning this to you guys. Crypto or trading is not all about you buying everything. When someone says this is gonna go up, you buy it, or this that. You're gonna, like, if you don't have enough capital, yeah, like huge amount of money, you don't have to waste so much time, because again, it's time consuming to analyze each and every one of those coins that you are buying. But if you focus on one or two, and you have some money that you have as you keep aside to just invest when price keep going down, and when price started going up, you take out profit. That's just the way to go, and you're gonna find yourself making some, compounding, making some good profit every now and then. So I really do appreciate to see that there are some guys here who are making profit. They are enjoying their profit, and they are applying the strategies that I have been educating you guys on every now and then. So This is awesome, guys. I'm happy. Yeah, let's dive back into this. You know, guys. Again, I mean, I can just end the show today from hearing him say he made money. I mean, I'm so happy. Like, yeah, happy to see to see people make money with my strategy. Yes. So if you want to make money, guys, follow what I say. Join my show. You might not understand everything for the first time, the second time, the third time, even the fifth time. But the fact that you are consistent, you're gonna get one until you're gonna, you know, debunk everything. And once you debunk everything, trust me, you are gonna be unstoppable. I don't buy so much coins. I don't even buy new coins anymore. I like if like this coin, there's a coin here, Docs, right? Now this coin is in hype. This coin, let me show you guys. These Docs. I'm not gonna buy Docs, because it's pumping. I'm gonna wait for Docs to chill, to calm down. When Docs is chill, let me see if you guys can see it here. Oh, let me see. Let me see. So this is it. Let me bring it to you guys so you can see. I'm holding the bubbles to bring dogs so you can see this is dogs. I'm not gonna waste my time to buy dogs. Those who are there, the big whales, let them buy. Let's just go to the chart of dogs. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. What I do is accurate. Not all the time, but most of the time, I know what I'm doing. I don't just go around play games or do shit. Let me just show you guys something. I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna buy this dog stuff. So let me look for dogs. It's on I think it's on the Ton network, the Ton. So let's see. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna take this one on Radium. I think docs is now on. Okay, you see. Let's see. But originally, this coin was on. It was on the Ton network. I don't know if say. Let me see if say I can find the contract address from here. Okay, this is it. Docs. Docs. Let me see. From the contract address, then I'm able to tell. I see it on Solana as well, but mostly I think it should be on Ton, the Ton blockchain. This should be on the Ton blockchain. So now we have docs on Solana. Let me see if say it's the same docs. I'm gonna see if it's the same from the contract address. So let me take the contract address from here, go back to this, and then paste it here to see what I'm gonna find. Wow, this one on Solana has gone right up to 122 million. Wow, that's awesome. But let's just get the right docs. Let's get the right docs. The right docs. Okay. So let's see. It's loading. Let's see. If say the one on Solana is gonna show us something, but this one is I think it's gonna be on the Ton blockchain. Yeah, you can see it's on the Ton blockchain. This is it. Docs, 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 docs. It's almost 8 billion, 1 billion market cap. So you can see. Let's see. All right, now I saw docs here, but look at what happened, guys. Let me show you something that has happened here. Okay, price pumped right up to 1.2 billion, right? And now we are seeing retracement back. All right, for you to actually confirm this movement is real or like it's gonna drop to somehow. This is what you're gonna do. You bring this Fibonacci retracement to Fibonacci from the top, from the bottom, sorry, to the top, and it's gonna give you exactly the area where price is gonna retrace to. And mind you guys, this is where price is going. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna discuss about this again afterward. Price have left here, come here. It's here. It's gonna go here at around 296 million before it goes back up to about this. Then maybe go again here, or price can do against something like this. It can come from here, it end at the golden pocket, then move like this, then go back up. but price will come down. It's not going anywhere. It could be maybe one of the biggest meme coin on the ton blockchain, but price is not going anywhere from where it is. It can go attempt to pump up here to about 1 billion, but it's not come back. We're gonna be following the price with this Fibonacci retracement tool, and until price respect these tools, until price respect these tools, then I'm not gonna enter the trade. I want to allow the coin to pump, and whosoever want to make money from it, let them make their money. I'm out. So this is how I protect myself. This is how I follow market structure. I follow my plan. I follow my strategy. I don't listen to the noise out there. I want to always be on the guard. If I'm able to make 10%, 20% from this coin and add it to my Bitcoin, it's enough for me. And I know I'm gonna make this every day, every week with Bitcoin or any other altcoin out there. I'm gonna do the same thing. Then it's good for me. I'm not gonna sit here and start beating myself. Now I want to also look at Bitcoin because I think we should trade Bitcoin. I title this show trading. So let's go to the lower time frame. Well, let's see if we have some entry here with Odin. Okay, I think we're gonna have an entry here with Odi. I'm gonna trade this also, guys. Odi is now at this price point. I bought some Odi. I even bought I bought two more Odi. I even bought some Solana. So let's also look at Solana. Actually, I think I'm gonna place a trade. Let's see for Odi. Let me see. I'm gonna place a trade for Odi right now. Um, but I'm gonna have to wait for because price now is at my zone. So let me go to the lower time frame, 1 minute time frame. So let me see the next 50 minutes. But I'm not gonna be live with you, unfortunately. But I'm gonna see what the next 50-minute candle is gonna do. 'Cause I wanna trade this right now. So I'm not gonna be live with you, to trade this. But we are. I think you should wanna buy or they buy it now, like buy it now, and you can cash out profit from like, let's see, you can get out from $30. Yeah, $30. Cash out profit from there if you're trading it. Yeah, you can. So I think we're gonna go right up there. So yeah, that's it. And Solana as well. Let's see. If say Solana this is the case, let's first look at it on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Solana also is doing the same thing. So you can as well get some Solana. But I think, oh yeah, so that's on Solana, and also I'm looking at this coin here, this one Awe. Um, if you want to get some Awe, it's gonna be good for you. You should look at this palm. It went right up to $27 so you can get some Awe if you want. And also, which coin again was I looking at? Yeah, QNT Ape coin. I bought some Ape coin. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Flocky, yeah. If you want to get some Flocky, fine. Boom, yeah. Tron can get some Tron coin as well, but don't rush to get Tron coin yet. Wait for some sort of movement. You can see vectors here, so they can as well bring price back here. All right, guys. I think that's it for today. Tomorrow same time. If you want me to be here, comment below, or you can comment one. If you want me to be here tomorrow again same time, just comment below one. I can see you guys watching on X. 8 people are watching me on X. I think I have more follow people watching from X. Guys, if you're watching from X, please do retweet. I can see you guys retweet, like. See, I just like my live stream as well on X. Do retweet. It's gonna help me a lot. This content wish to more people. I'm gonna really appreciate you guys if you retweet this. Those of you watching on X, if you find some value from this, and if you guys comment, now that I should be live again, I'm gonna be live in a while. But if I don't see you guys comment that you want me to be live, then I won't be live. I'm not gonna go live my normal time. But again, make sure you try to get your entry today. We're gonna or tomorrow latest. We're gonna have good entry today, tomorrow, I think yeah, we're gonna have those good entry today and tomorrow. We're gonna have a good weekend. I think so. You know, and yeah, I think so. All right, guys, voila, we have come to the end of today's video, today's show. I'm so happy you guys joined me, and stay tuned for more of such shows. Have a nice day. Ciao. Bye bye.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the